In Factory Girls, Leslie T. Chang exposes the hidden realities behind China's manufacturing surge and the predominantly female workforce that fuels it. Drawing on her experience as a former China correspondent for the Wall Street Journal, Chang highlights the role of China's 130 million migrant workers in transforming cities and keeping factories running, producing inexpensive consumer goods at an unprecedented scale. These forces have propelled China into its position as a global economic powerhouse, reshaping the world economy. Chang characterizes China's migrant laborers as participants in the largest human migration in history, a renewable workforce that enables production on a scale unmatched anywhere else. Chang dives into the lives of the young women who leave school and their homes to travel south to the megacities of the Pearl River Delta, seeking opportunities for a better life. She celebrates them as China's invisible heroes, rarely recognized yet essential, their labor and self-sacrifice forming the backbone of the nation's economic success. Often driven by necessity, these women work to support themselves and their families. Despite China's traditional conservatism, which generally discourages women from venturing out alone, parental concern often gives way to encouragement once the girls reach the city, urging them to earn as much as possible. Motivated by ambition and pride, they see little future in their rural towns and are determined to forge new paths rather than return home. The narrative intertwines Chang's own family history with her investigation of the factories, centering on Dongguan, a massive industrial town, with a population that is 70% female, and an economy growing at 15% annually. She describes the town as a place seemingly stripped of history, continuously transforming into something new. Her portrayal of the factories paints a dystopian picture of repetitive assembly lines where each worker functions as a cog, contributing to the final product. Women face relentless pressure from employers who bombard them with harsh slogans urging them to work harder under threat of poverty and shame. Motivated by fear and aspiration, the girls endure 12-hour shifts for around $100 a month, seeing their labor as a stepping stone out of rural life. Many pursue night classes or hop between jobs, striving to climb the social ladder, a pursuit Chang frames as a quest for self-improvement. Discrimination is rampant. Job ads often exclude candidates based on province or gender, reflecting the abundance of available labor. Employers face no obligation to provide fair conditions and can afford to be selective, while global demand for cheap goods and rapidly expanding cities ensures work is always available. Many girls navigate this competitive landscape by exaggerating experience or bending the truth, learning early that honesty can hinder progress. Chang notes that the rapid pace of change in China makes the consequences unpredictable, fostering a frenzied atmosphere that can leave workers disoriented and unsure of what they are truly striving for. Despite earning wages and gaining material goods, happiness often remains elusive. Yet, these women press forward, relying on their own resilience. Through Factory Girls, Chang pauses the whirlwind of China's industrial rise to illuminate the lives of the individual women behind it, lending humanity to a story too often reduced to statistics. Thank you for watching. If you enjoy this video, leave a like and subscribe.